In this video, I'll show you step by step how we made $76,592 in just 90 days by doing something 99% of people ignore, using Pinterest. No ads, no followers, no website, and no showing my face, just simple pins and the right affiliate strategy. I didn't get lucky. I followed a system that works even if you are never made a dollar online. Most people scroll past Pinterest and miss the opportunity. Don't be that person. Stick around because I'm going to reveal the exact steps I took, what links I promoted, and how you can copy it from scratch. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Pinterest, so make sure to watch the video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. And in just last month, I have made $25,975 and it's paid. This is my invoice, a recent payment request detail. It's paid, as you can see over here, and this is the proof of the payment. $25,975. Okay, so the commission that you will make this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month. This is how this business works. So we'll get back to this later and I will explain more. So for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest and earn commissions, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so you need to join an affiliate marketing program. So step number one, just go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr, click on this link over here, and you need to sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. You just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr affiliate as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are really paying good commissions. Some commissions, guys, can be up to 70% of the first order. So meaning that you will earn 70% of the first order. That's a really crazy commissions, guys. You can make so much money with this affiliate marketing business. The best parts with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buys service from your affiliate link, you will earn a good commission for his first order. You will earn up to 70% of the first order. If this person will keep buying more services, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr, which makes this business a profitable business. You can turn this into passive income. If you want to create your affiliate account, just click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you need to do is just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password again, account type. Click choose private. If you have Fiverr seller account, you can choose this option. If you have a company, you can choose this option. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website or a blog, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And here, please submit your social media URL. You guys can put here your Facebook profile link, your Instagram profile link, your TikTok profile link, Pinterest profile link, any link here. Okay, and click on country and search for your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, and so on. Choose your language from here. If you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. So once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so you should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who use their affiliate links to sign up to Fiverr, and people who use their affiliate link to buy services from you. What you need to do next is you need to create business account with Pinterest, because we will use Pinterest to promote our Fiverr services. So you will go to Google and you will search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account, make sure to choose business account. Why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has a lot of traffic. They have up to 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get crazy traffic from Pinterest if you follow those steps that I will share with you. If you do good SEO for your pins to rank higher on Pinterest search and create good content, okay? I will show you how we can do it. 1 billion monthly visitors, that's really a lot of traffic. And you should know that Pinterest is a search engine platform. It's also like Google and YouTube, okay? So Pinterest users search, usually they are searching for services, products, and what will help them to grow their businesses inside Pinterest, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to Fiverr, okay? So now we need to choose a good service that we will start promoting on Pinterest. So what we will do, guys, is we will click on the search and we will search for, click on the search bar of Fiverr and search for Pinterest marketing, okay? Why we choose this service? Because since we are promoting our services on Pinterest, we will choose services related to Pinterest, services that can help Pinterest users to grow their business inside Pinterest. So it's a win-win, okay? They will get good result, they will grow their account, and you will get good Pinterest marketing for their account. And for me, I will earn a commission, if that makes sense, okay? That's why I choose this one, Pinterest marketing. Scroll down, you will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service on Fiverr. So what you need to do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you need to choose good seller. How we can choose good seller? Always focus on level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, or pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you. Why? Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers that you are promoting. They will see the reviews of their customers, they will see the feedback, they will see the prices and more. So that's why you should choose good sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose one. Let me see, for example, here, like I will be your Pinterest market. Like this one is pro seller, this one is a good one. We have also this one is a good one. I will manage grow boost marketing as Pinterest queen. I think this one is a good one. I will choose this one, guys. So click on the seller service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see that the seller is top rated sellers. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. This service is evergreen service, meaning that people can buy this service multiple times, which is really good for us because we will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction those people will keep making on Fiverr, which is really good. This is the proof that the service is working. You can see here 47 orders in queue. Numbers don't lie. Which people will buy this service? Only Pinterest users who are paying for those services, guys. Pinterest users. This one, Pinterest marketing. You see here 47 orders in queue. Look how many reviews. People keep coming back, which is good. So what you will do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link here and put this seller profile link here, paste, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link, okay? This will be your Fiverr affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I do have an old Fiverr affiliate marketing account. That's why I still have this option. Like I said in the beginning of the video, that I have been doing this business for over 5 years. That's why I still have this option. For you, should see this one, my Fiverr Marketplace new plan. It's almost the same. And this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you're choosing pro sellers, you can copy your affiliate link from here. If you are choosing level 2 top rated sellers, you can copy your affiliate link from here. This one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. And by the way, if you want to learn how I make over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using 100% free traffic, I have put together a complete step-by-step course showing you exactly how I do it. You will get access to all my profitable services, which content how do I create content without showing my face, how do I use a YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram to earn consistent commissions with the Amazon affiliate program and Fiverr affiliate program. And you will get direct support from me and my team to guide you every step of the way. If you are ready to start, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my video description, and I will send you all the details. And of course, with no paid ads, no fancy tools, and no teach skills required. Okay, you will get, if you are interested, you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me and I will send you all the details. So what we need to do next, guys, is we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest and click here on home feed, click on create pin. We need to create a good eye-catching pin picture, a good title and good description using good SEO to rank higher on Pinterest search. So what we will do, we will use AI. Go to ChatGPT and open ChatGPT account, click over here on Sora, and you will be directly in this page. You guys can put this prompt, use this prompt to create good eye-catching pictures using Sora. You can take a screenshot of it or stop the video and you can write this in your phone or in your laptop. Okay, this one. Once you put this prompt here, click over here to for Sora to create a good eye-catching pin picture that you can use to promote this service on Pinterest. Okay, and here you go. As you can see, guys, we just got our result from Sora, which is crazy, guys. You can see how AI can help you to create your pins fast. You will save a lot of time, save effort, and you can stay consistent just by working just 1 hour a day. It takes just 1 hour a day to create like up to 3 pins per day. Okay, using AI, of course. Okay, so here you go. So let me choose one of those pictures. I think this one is a good one. So just click on the picture that you'd like to use. You can also test different pictures and see which picture are getting clicks and impression, and double what's working and avoid what's not working. Click here on download to download this picture to your laptop. Go back to Pinterest, okay, and click over here and upload your picture. Okay, let me see and find the picture. I already have a lot of pictures here, so this one, I'm gonna use this one. So here you go. That's a really good eye-catching pin picture, which is really crazy. Okay, so what we need to do, we need a title. We will go to ChatGPT and we will ask him create a Pinterest pin title for Pinterest marketing service and use good SEO to rank higher. And here you go. ChatGPT will create for you a good eye-catching title. Go back, copy paste, use AI and copy paste. Description, go back to Pinterest and ask him create a pin description. Okay, and mention that this is an affiliate service, and that's it. Just mention that you are an affiliate marketer. Okay, so you will avoid suspended and problems with Pinterest. Your account will be safe. Okay, so copy this. You can see here this is an affiliate service. I might earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Perfect for anyone looking to scale their online presence, which is good. Go back to Pinterest and put, so you need to follow the rules of Pinterest. Okay, and here you go. We need to put our affiliate link here. We will go back to our Fiverr affiliate account and we will copy our affiliate link from here, copy and go back. So this is a full step-by-step tutorial, guys. Put your affiliate link here. So that's fine, you can put your affiliate link here, but make sure in your pin's description always use this sentence: this is an affiliate service, I might earn a commission at no extra cost to you. So like this, you are telling Pinterest that you are doing affiliate marketing and you will be safe and your account will not get any problems. Okay, I have been doing this method for over 5 years. This is the same method that I'm still using. Okay, and I never get any problems. Scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and just give it a name, and that's it. You just need to give it a name. So I'm gonna, for example, I'm gonna put this in Pinterest. You need tags. I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask him to give me tags, and that's it. You just need to copy paste, use AI, and you can scale fast. Okay, always get back to AI, put all those tags, those keywords here. Once you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how we can start Pinterest affiliate marketing, and that's how we can make money online with Pinterest affiliate marketing. And if you want to take this business seriously, like I said, you can reach, if you want to get more info, more details, you can reach out to me in my email address in my video description, and they will send you all the details. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. So how much you will earn, for people who are asking, so how much we will earn if we promote this service? So guys, this service is for from top rated seller, and the basic package it's starting from $60. Okay, you can see here we have standard package, so people can buy this package, people can buy this package. So let's take, for example, they will buy just this basic package. You will earn, so if we go back to Fiverr marketplace, you will, so for top rated sellers guys, and the level 1 level 2 sellers, you will earn 25% of the first order. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT what is 25 of $60. They are paying good commission. You will earn $15 guys. Okay, you see here, $15. And if they buy, like I said, they can buy multiple package. They can buy some customers can buy standard package, some customers can buy premium package. So for example, if they buy premium package from you for $250, you will earn good commission. Okay, for basic package you will earn good commission. It's for free, you are using free traffic, you are not paying any money for ads. Okay, so even just $15 per sale, it's still good money. Okay, and if you keep promoting more services, you can double, and those small commissions compound, and you can make a lot of commissions after posting for a while, after posting a lot of content that will keep working for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, like I said, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.